This video reviews the impulse momentum theorem. We know that impulse is equal to the net force times time, and that the net force is equal to mass times acceleration, and that acceleration is really just change in velocity over change in time. And we can see that these t's cancel, and we are left with mass times change in velocity, which we know is equal to the change in momentum. So this relationship right here, that the total impulse exerted on an object is equal to an object's change in momentum, is the impulse momentum theorem. Let's do an example. An 80-kilogram car occupant is traveling at 16 meters per second. If the occupant can withstand a stopping force of 16 kilonewtons, what is the minimum stopping time the occupant can withstand? So this is obviously probably an impulse momentum theorem. So this is our impulse momentum theorem. And we know that the net force is equal to negative 16,000 newtons, because kilo just means times 10 to the third. And we're going to say that this is a negative force because the force must stop the occupant, so it's going to travel in the opposite direction of the velocity. We do not know delta t. The mass is 80, and our final velocity is 0, and our initial velocity is 16. So we can then solve for t, and we see that the change in time, or the minimum stopping time, would then have to be 0.08 seconds.